Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Gani Sujanto.
My name is Adil Jayatama.
Today, we will explain about LSA or life saving appliance in maritime. LSA has the function to protect passenger and crew members in emergency situation. In SOLAS, LSA is have a rule equipment. For example, helmet. What is the function of helmet?
The function of helmet to protect our head from above material.
And also, what is the function of gloves?
The function of gloves to protect our hand or material.
What is the function of glasses?
The function of glasses
Yes.
to protect our eyes from small material.
And also LSA, there are 11 equipment. Identical expand three function of equipment in LSA. Aircraft has the function. Aircraft has the function to protect our ear from noisy. In engine department, this has important equipment because without aircraft, the ear of engineer will be broken because it's not good for our ear if we usually hear about machine. And Adinishita will explain about the function of weapon.
The function of wearpack to protect our whole body from spark, chemical on fire and fire.
And Adinishita, what is the function of safety shoes in engine department? In engine room, sorry.
To protect the function of safety shoes to protect our feet from hot material, heavy falling, heavy object, and chemical.
And also, if someone afloat in the sea, we can use lifeboat. Lifeboat has the function to prevent the people to deep in the sea. Drown in the sea. So the function of lifeboat is to prevent the people to stay afloat. Afloat in the sea. And when crew member is fighting in high place, they must to use safety harness because safety harness is very important to prevent falling in falling in high place. And then, do you have any different opinion about LSA?
Yeah, that's right.
Before we explain about safety harness, how do you use safety harness in body?
Safety harness is like a life jacket, you know, life jacket. So before we use safety harness, we just use like safety like jacket, safety jacket. We can put on the belt, and then when we in high place, we make like hole in the place, so we can like a fly like yeah like flying, so we can calling in high place. Okay, Mr. Yanua, any question?
I want to ask how we respond if mid shipping company do not have complete equipment NSA.
Respond as a crew member.
Respond if we meet
We must
shipping company
report must to report in apa itu SOLAS, because in SOLAS have the rule of equipment of the LSA, because LSA is very